If you need help deleting any item of information off your credit report, a client's credit report, or whatever, if you're looking to get into funding and making a lot of money, this video is literally for you. By the end of today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get mentored by me for free for 7 days. Why should you even listen to me, right? I don't know if the algorithm just brought you here randomly or if you've been subscribed for a while. One reason why you should listen to me, I've literally helped a lot of people in the industry. And just to tell you what this information has done for me, I've done things like make $27,500 in a day with my funding company. I've also made $20,000 in a day with my funding company. And to be honest, I've just helped a lot of people, a lot of client wins. I got a lot of client wins. So whether you like me or not, at the end of the day, we got to look at logic. I've helped a lot of people, and you're going to see that, right? So before we get into it, I need you to do two things. Two things only is all I'm asking of you. Number one, go to my IG, Instagram, at Mike O. Benjamin, and literally go to the client wins, the IG highlights. I got over 50 over there. And what you got to realize is that each of those highlights has at least 4 wins. So if we just go with 50 times 4, that's 200. We got over 200 wins from students that have worked with me, right? So just more evidence again. The last thing I need you to do, literally open a new tab. Go to I think it's client testimonials playlist on my channel. Watch those interviews. Those are with clients in our highest program. We're going to talk about the 3 different programs, how you can get, acclimated and situated with us. But with that being said, let's get straight to it. Let me share my screen and let's get straight into it. Your future success begins right here, right now. All right, hold on. Let me make myself bigger. All right, so if you're new, our mission is literally to help fund $1 billion to small business owners, and it's done through these 3 programs. I've been super excited to film this video, and I know it's going to help those of y'all to take action. So keep that in mind, right? I don't know what else to do besides free, right? So I don't know what else will like motivate y'all. Like money is not an issue at this point, right? So let's talk about it. So we got the CAT Credit University. This is our low ticket program. This is literally only $39 a month, and you can get a 7-day free trial. You could do it for $375 for a year. I think you save almost $100 if you just pay annually. But CAT Credit University, right? The whole purpose of CAT Credit University is to help you fix your own credit, get your first credit card if you don't have a credit card, or your next credit card, and then start your own credit repair business, right? Because everybody needs credit. You might be watching my channel because you're trying to figure out how to fix your own credit. So that lets you know the importance of credit. Credit is going to help you get into that house. Credit is going to help you get into that car, all that. So the whole purpose of the CAT Credit University is to have a community of like-minded individuals to help you delete any negative or inaccurate information and see how other people are doing it, right? Because rules are always changing. So it's important that you change your environment so that you can be around, people that are trying to do what you're doing. And the simple fact of the matter is, when we talk about environment, the more money you invest, the better the environment is going to be. But at the end of the day, the reason why I'm doing this 7-day free trial, I know the information, the sauce is in there, right? Because y'all love free, right? I don't know how else to say it. So if we say it's free, y'all will probably pull up. So yeah, that's why we're doing it. So we can give you an opportunity to tap in. Because I know some of y'all make the excuse that because it costs money, you don't want to come. So let's talk about the deliverables. So you got, let me highlight this. So the deliverables of the CAT Credit University. So you got 4 hours of consumer law mastery training, understand FCRA, FDCPA. You got the how to sue debt collectors and win training once you get to level 3. It's not hard to get to level 3. You got the builder guide for building credit. You got quick wins tasks to help you achieve easy wins. And one thing y'all got to realize too, one of the main reasons why we added the quick wins and easy wins is because subconsciously in your mind, if you're winning, you're going to continue to be in that mindset of, okay, I'm a winner, I'm a winner. Same extreme. If you're like losing, you keep coming across negativity, you're going to feel that way, right? You're going to think less of yourself. So we added this easy wins or quick wins in the community so that you can feel better about yourself as you're achieving these wins and you get your subconscious mind in the flow of winning. And then we just got resources to help you achieve your first or next credit card so that you can graduate to the next program, which is a funding community that we'll talk about. So let's take a look at the community and the wins real quick. So this is a Cat Credit University. As you can see, we got it's still relatively new. We got 70 something people in here, so not too much, but it's intimate enough to where you're able to interact with people. So let's go to the win. Could ignore this one. This is from the funding community. We're going to talk about that. So ghost offer. That's one of the things we talk about in there. Wins. Okay, Jeremy got 12 negative accounts deleted. This is just someone enrolled in our 10K program. YouTube channel is up. He got a collection removed. He got a bankruptcy removed. Created the YouTube channel. Removed late payments. So you just got people that are like-minded in here that'll help you get to that next level. Deleted charge-offs. Hard inquiries deleted in 6 hours. So you just got all items being deleted, and it's good to be in an environment of like-minded individuals that are winning as well, right? So I'll leave a link in the description if you want to get tapped into that. Like I said, you can start a 7-day free trial. Like, I don't know what else to do to help y'all get to the next level. So yeah, at this point, you just want to lose if you're not tapping in. So go ahead and tap in if you want to. I feel like most of y'all that's watching this, that program is going to be what's for you, right? The next programs are going to be for the next level people that are more like me. I know not everyone is in that mindset to invest yet, but if you're just getting started, you're just seeing me randomly on YouTube, start with the free, just do the 7-day free trial. If you like it, cool. If you don't like it, then, it's cool. I was going to say we don't care, but it's like, if you don't like it, you don't like it. You feel me? So that's the Cat Credit University. That's a low ticket offer. It's only $39 a month, but 7-day free trial. Let me highlight this because I know y'all love this language. Y'all love free. We say invest, y'all running away. You know what I'm saying? But no, 7-day free trial. Go ahead and get tapped in. The next thing we have our mid-ticket offer, which is a CAP funding community, right? So the whole purpose of the CAP funding community is to help you start and grow your own funding business or side hustle. This is a new experimental community I started because I was looking at the fact that I was sitting and thinking with my team, I was like, why are my 10K students winning at such a higher level than the people that's watching the free information and investing like little money, right? Part of it obviously is because, they are more committed because they did invest more money. But part of it too, we couldn't ignore the fact that some of these major wins are through funding. Like I told you, I have a lot of student wins. So if you go to my IG, you go to those case study testimonials, you see that people are winning on the funding side, right? So that's why I decided to start this new funding community, right? And we're solely focused on funding because, like I said, I've seen people winning, and funding has just been a big part of that. That's been a big part of us scaling our own business. When I said in the beginning, almost $30,000 in a day, $20,000 in a day, multiple 5-figure days. Like, when you compare it to credit repair, it's easier to scale with funding, basically. So some deliverables with this exact program. Let me highlight. Oh, okay. So this one is done through a webinar, by the way. So number one, this is one of the big deliverables. So this is not part of the Cat Credit University, right? Cat Credit University is about focusing on the consumer laws, deleting stuff, all that, just like beginner stuff, basically. You get what you pay for, 7-day free trial, all that. So with the Cat funding community, you get 50-50 partnership to the exact Chase Bank Relationship Manager. That's allowed my students and myself to get 50 to 75K business credit card approvals, right? So 10%, that's 5,000 to 7,500 commission per client. So you see the value difference in being in the funding community versus the Cat Credit University. Just that relationship alone is huge, right? You get a training on questions to ask a BRM, so you could establish your own bank relationships with these bank relationship managers. Because if you want to maximize your funding, it's going to be through these bank relationship managers. And I'm going to give y'all the link for the webinar you can go and attend. And like I said, it's a $29.97, $3,000 program, which I think is super cheap. But to be transparent, we give you an opportunity at the end to invest for only $9.97, so less than $1,000, right? So keep that in mind. You get bulletproof business funding contract because you want to make sure your stuff is on point as well. You get access to over 2,000 trade lines. I get asked about trade lines all the time. So I gave them a resource for that. And then you get intimate private community of like-minded individuals. And then you just get resources to help you graduate towards the 5K mastermind program, which is for the, so yeah, we'll go over that. So basically this is the link. I'm gonna include the link and I'll put it in the description. So webinar.catactics.com/opt-in. And then, like I said, transparency is only $9.97 for now, but it might change. And this, like I said, this is a new program. So I just wanted to include one of the testimonials. So Doc is someone that actually took advantage of the offer when we did it. And he did this in less than a week, right? He invested on a Sunday. He made this 3,200, I think it was like in 4 or 5 days or something. And he basically just followed read what he said. He said, Michael Benjamin is the man. I had a brief consult with him about a client's light file. He gave me the confidence to shoot my shot. Here are the results. He got his client funded 32,000 and he made 3,200 just like that, right? So this just goes to show you the importance of what happens when you invest in yourself. The Cat Credit University is like a beginner program. You're not going to get that level of touch that you're going to get in the CAP funding community, right? So just keep that in mind. And keep in mind, he only invested $997. So less than 1,000. He made 3,200, like right there, like that. And then I know we got a pending Chase application. So he's about to make more money, to be honest, because we're going 50-50 with that one as well. So if you're someone, maybe you're like, okay, I just want to make money. I don't want to learn all these consumer laws and all that. You're just about getting to the bag. The CAP funding community might be where you need to be at. And keep in mind, I just saw how he made this amount of money super quick. Like I said, this is a new program at the time I'm recording this. It could be more expensive by the time you do decide to tap in. So just keep that in mind. So that is a funding community, right? Okay, yeah. So, like I said, this is a funding community. It's just straightforward. And I wanted to focus on it being like an anti-course, like not just so focused on course material, right? Because the Cat Credit University is like a library of information, course, all that. But then the funding community is just like getting straight to it. So if you wanted to just get like the main difference between those two communities, and obviously earning potential is huge in there. So that's a funding community. That's a mid-ticket offer. So the Cat Credit Mastermind. So this is our high-ticket program. This is formerly known as the 10K program. If you've been following me, you see how I saw we got a 10K program and all that. We made a 5K now. So the purpose is to help you scale your credit repair / funding business through systems. And the fact of the matter is, YouTube is here, right? It's going to be here for however long. I don't know. I'm going to live good with my legacy knowing that I gave y'all a chance to only tap in for $5,000 into this program. You see the wins that my students have done in that 10K program. You know what I'm saying? So keep that in mind. So like I said, this is formerly the 10K program we had. So all the case study videos that you may have seen is that same program. Like I said, go look at my IG highlights. The client wins 1 through 50 over, I think we're at 52, maybe 53. Like the results are there. Like I said, I'm not saying you have to say you like me or not, but at the end of the day, you can't argue with results, right? So they're over there. So deliverables. Let's talk about it. So they get the full access to the exact Chase BRM. Like I literally give them the phone number of the person. So they can go ahead and rent it up. Like I said, 50 to 75K is 5,000 to 7,500 per client. So they keep the full 10% versus in the funding community, it's a 50-50 partnership, which is still good. So that's why I recommend, if anything, if you're like, okay, I have some money to invest, but I don't want to go all the way, just get in the funding program. You're going to make your money back to be able to get into this program eventually. So like I said, this is less than a week. Doc already made 3,200, right? So he tripled his investment. And 5,000 is not money. If you think 5,000 is a lot of money, you're in the wrong room, to be honest. So yeah, keep that in mind. Systems to help your business scale. God-made marketing system to attract high-level clients. If you go watch the main video on my channel, you can go get more information in terms of what comes with the now 5K program, assuming that it's still the main video on my channel. And then you just get an intimate private community of like-minded individuals that invested at that high level as well. And then just to kind of show y'all. So you get this Google Drive access that got a bunch of stuff, bunch of resources as well. Funding is a good one, deletion letters, sales, extra helpful resources, things like that. And then as far as course material, like I said, I don't like courses, but it's certain things that have to be in there. So the welcome video and all the scripting, the ads. So this whole 5K, 10K program, 10K formally, 5K program is about basically scaling, right? Suing debt collectors, more on the consumer laws, marketing, sales, scaling, like I said, and then, bonus material. So those are the different programs. And if you want to get tapped in, I'm gonna leave links in the description for all the different programs. At least I would say just start with the 7-day free trial and the Cat Credit University. I'm not telling you to, be next level, getting the funding or mastermind community right away, but hopefully this video is helpful just so y'all can know. I devised all this. We're on a mission to help fund $1 billion for small business owners. Hopefully you can participate and help us get towards that mission. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.